Vijay Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss the second part of Hyderabad MSc entrance question paper. Already we discussed 25 questions, right? This is the second part. Today we are going to discuss another 25 questions in HCU exam. Okay, see the first question. The anti-aromatic compound among the following are, okay, they are given the 4 compound. They will tell about what, find out the which is aromatic, which is anti-aromatic compound. Okay, in case of 2 rule, right, we know very well. Note, it's very important point. Note, in case of benzene like structure, okay, in case of benzene like structure, or we call monocyclic compound, or we call monocyclic compound, we apply what? Occult's rule, right? We apply Occult's rule. Okay, what is Occult's rule? You know very well. 4n plus 2 pi 4n plus 2 pi electron. It should be aromatic, right? It's aromatic rule. Aromatic. Then 4n pi electron. 4n pi electron. It should be anti-aromatic. It should be anti-aromatic. Aromatic. If compound is non-planar, if compound is non-planar, they call non-aromatic, right? Non-planar compound is non-aromatic. If you apply the Occult's rule, this compound, okay, say this molecule 1 pi bond, 2 pi bond, positive charge, right? Therefore 2 pi bond. Therefore obey what? Listen, very simple. The compound containing odd number of double bond, this is called aromatic. The compound containing even number of double bond, they call anti-aromatic, right? This containing even number, right? Therefore it's anti-aromatic compound. This is odd number. Why odd number? Because one lone pair consider pi bond also, right? Because involving resonance, right? Therefore 1 pi bond and 2 pi bond, 1 lone pair. Therefore the 2 pi bond plus 1 lone pair, total 1 3, right? Therefore 3 is even number. Therefore 3 is what? Aromatic. Option 3 irukku. Option B cut and option C cut, right? Then go for option 4, which option 4 irukku. Option A, D is correct. Very simple, right? Now see, but this first molecule, okay, according to Gray's rule, please know. What is Gray's rule? You have to understand, right? What is Gray's rule? The Gray's rule is applicable for non-benzoyl molecule. Okay? Non-benzoyl like molecule. Non-benzoyl molecule, we can apply the Gray's rule. First, pass this. What is first step? First, pass C2 axis. If the C2 axis is present, okay, count pi bond. Count pi bond. The pi bond should be odd. That is called aromatic. The pi bond should be even. That is called non-aromatic. Okay. But in generally now in Gray's rule there is no anti-aromatic. The question what? In most operable answer it should be option D only. Okay. The first molecule is not anti-aromatic. Okay. This is actually this 1, 2, 3, 4 pi bond, right? It should be non-aromatic molecule only according to Gray's rule. But in exam point of in this question paper, okay, which is more correct answer, more approximate answer, option D is correct. Okay. Now go for second question. Okay, the decreasing order of dipole moment following the compounds. Okay, now see the second. Okay, first compound. What is first compound? Double bond O. Then they give you the benzene ring, right? Benzene ring. This is a molecule. Again, this also what? 2 phenyl ring. Okay. They are asking dipole moment, right? Then this is molecule, cyclic molecule. And double bond O, then 2 benzene ring, right? 2 benzene ring, 1, 2, 3. Again, also what? 1 benzene ring, right? 1, 2, 3. In this case, double bond O, then double bond, then 1 benzene ring, right? Benzene ring. The 2 phenyl group can attach with the 2 carbon, right? Simple one. Now see. Now, what is dipole moment? We know very well. What is dipole moment? Charge separation, right? What is dipole moment? Nothing but what? Charge separation. Please note. Charge separation. Separation. Okay, me is equal to what? Charge into distance is equal to dipole moment, right? Now, they are CO bond, right? Now see, if the bond undergo polarization, they create plus charge, a negative charge, right? This molecule, please understand, this molecule, they obey what? Aromatic. This aromatic molecule. Generally, in case of charge separation, the charge separation leads to aromatic compound, means there should be more dipole moment. It should be very high value, very high. Therefore, which is highest dipole moment? B option. Okay. Now see the options. In the right? C AAC but only what? BD. In BD, which is the more dipole moment. Okay, now going to check what? Listen, please understand. If extended conjugation leads to what? Mole polarization. Conjugation leads to, listen, in this case, double bond, single bond, okay, double bond, in case separation will be take place. It should be minus charge, it should be plus charge, okay. They undergo charge. In this case, see this. Shifted, here shifted, shifted. This is called what? Extended conjugation. This is conjugation. This is conjugation. This is extended conjugation. What is extended conjugation? One more bond should be double bond, right? Double bond, double bond, single. Okay, this extended conjugation. Due to extended conjugation, okay, the bond will be more polar. Therefore, option compared to third and first, which is more dipole moment. Third one. Therefore, answer is B is correct. Understand? First, check the aromaticity in the three molecule. The second molecule in second molecule is undergo charge separation to form aromatic character. Therefore, second is more dipole moment. And compared to one and third, the third molecule should be what? The more extended conjugation compared to what? First molecule. Therefore, option second, third is first one. Okay. Option B is correct. And next question, they are asking what? Shortest carbon-carbon bond length. You know very well, right? In case of sp carbon and sp2 carbon and sp3 carbon, right? What about S percentage? Which is highest? S is highest compared to sp2 and sp3, right? Okay, when we know very well, S character increases, electronegativity increases, and bond length decreases, right? Bond, this order. This is a formula, right? When S character increases, electronegativity increases. What? This is S character order. Which is more S character? Sp, right? Because 50%, 50%. Here, okay, here 25%, here 33.3%, right? It's a percentage of S character of orbital, right? Now see, in case of benzene, we know in case of benzene, this is not pure pi double bond, right? Because undergo delocalization. Due to delocalization, the pi bond is not localized, right? They undergo delocalization, right? This is not pure. In ethylene, this is localized bond, good. In cyclohexane, they all are single bond, right? But in single bond, we know very well the single bond length. Please note the bond length. Single bond always bigger compared to double bond, compared to double bond. Okay, this order, common order of the bond length. In case of allenes, what is allenes? Cumulated diene with odd number, even number of double bond, right? This is allenes. Please know what is allenes. Please know what is allenes. Cumulated double bond. What is cumulated? Cumulated double bond with what? Even number. That is called allenes. Okay. In allenes, this carbon should be sp2, good. This carbon should be sp2, good. But this carbon should be sp carbon. We know very well when S character increases and electronegativity increases, bond length decreases. Therefore, which is correct answer? Option C is correct. Okay. In the four molecule, benzene and ethylene and cyclohexane, allenes, which is shorted CC bond. Allenes. Okay. Next is sir. First allenes, then followed by ethylene, CH2 double bond, CH2 ethylene. Okay. This is shortest. Okay. I tell you shortest. Listen. This is more shortest. Shortest pathing abdina. First allenes. Allenes the shortest. Adukappuram pathina ethylene. Adukappuram on the benzene. This is the longest pathina cyclohexane the longest what? Highest CC bond compared to all other molecule. Okay. Understand? Go for next question. Okay. Among the following bioinorganic species, non-heme protein. Okay, very simple. What is heme protein? What is heme protein means? What is heme protein? Ion plus porphyrin ring. That is called heme protein, right? Ion plus porphyrin ring. In case of hemoglobin, ion porphyrin, myoglobin, ion porphyrin, cytochrome, which is correct answer now? Nitrogenesis. Okay. What is nitrogenesis containing? They containing what? Iron sulfur protein. They containing iron sulfur protein. Okay, not non-heme protein. Therefore, option B is correct for this question. The next question, they are asking what? Rough degradation of D-ribose. Okay, when D-ribose is undergo what? Is undergo rough degradation is followed by Killian synthesis. Please note, very important. What is the rough degradation? What is a rough degradation means? In the biomolecule concept, in rough degradation, it leads to what? Shorten the one carbon atom in the carbohydrate. You are shortening the one carbon atom. Okay. For example, if I take 6-member carbohydrate molecule, okay. If you use RF, okay. If you use rough degradation, I get 5-member carbon atom carbohydrate. Okay. Similarly, what has been Killian synthesis? What is mean? Killarney-Fisher. It's opposite. Killarney-Fisher. Similar. If I take 5-member carbon atom, carbohydrate, if I do the Killarney-Fisher synthesis, I get what? 6-member carbon atom. Okay. This is lengthen the chain. Lengthen the one carbon, or increasing one carbon. Increasing one carbon of the system. Therefore, what is correct answer for this question? Option A is correct. Okay. If we do D-ribose followed by Killarney, what is the answer? D-ribose followed by D-arabinose. Okay. This is the correct answer for this question. Okay. This if you know the concept, we can solve this question very easily. Next question. Good. The carbon differ in the deoxyribose and ribose. Okay. Very simple question. If you know the structure of the sugar unit of the DNA RNA, we can find out what is ribose. First, you have to understand. Ribose, say unit 1, right? This ribose. Please know the structure. This is ribose. Right? This is ribose, right? Here, first position, second position, and third position, and fourth and fifth position, right? Now see. Here OH, sorry, here H, here OH. This is called ribose. Ribose. This is present RNA, this sugar unit. Okay. What is deoxyribose? Deoxyribose. Very simple. Same carbon, here sugar unit, right? Now, what is the difference? First position, second position. Okay. Here what? Here hydrogen atom, not OH. Now see, now read the question. The carbon different in the deoxyribose and ribose of DNA RNA. Which position will be changed? The second position will be changed, right? Therefore, option A is correct. Very simple one. If you know the structure of the ribose, we can find out the answer very quick manner. Okay. Go for next question. It's very simple question also in the round-wise question. The relation between the pressure and volume of adiabatic expansion of perfect gas with heat capacity at constant volume and constant pressure. Okay. What is the formula? The PV, comma, is equal to constant. What is comma? Poisson ratio. Constant. What is comma? That is called Poisson ratio. How can I find out Poisson ratio? Comma is equal to what? Comma is equal to Cp by Cv, right? Now substitute the value to that equation, we get the correct answer, right? Then P, V, what is comma? Cp by Cv, right? Cp by Cv is equal to constant. Therefore, what is the answer for this question? Option B is correct answer. Okay, very simple one. Next, good question. If IR searching frequency of CX1, okay, this question is based on what? Hooke's law. Hooke's law. What is Hooke's law? Very simple. The searching frequency equal to what? 1 by and 2 pi c and square root of k by mu. Okay, what is k? Nothing but force constant. Force constant. Okay. What is mu? Nothing but reduced mass. Reduced mass. Now see. Please know this. Okay. When mass increases, reduced mass also increases. Now see the relation. If you see the equation, what is the relation we can derive now? The searching frequency what? Directly proportional to square root of force const. At the same time, inversely proportional to what? The reduced mass, right? Yes or no? Now mass increases, reduced mass increases. What is searching frequency? Decreases, right? You agree with me, right? Yes or no? So mass increases and reduced mass increases. Reduced mass increases. Okay, searching frequency decreases because both are what? Inversely proportional, right? Therefore, increasing with what? Decreasing. Listen, the searching frequency decreasing with what? Increasing mass, right? Yes or no? Therefore, option B is correct. See, decreasing with increasing atomic mass. Okay, this we know the Hooke's law formula. What is Hooke's law? Mu is equal to 1 by 2 pi c square root of k by mu. What is k? Force constant. What is mu? Reduced mass. Okay, if you know the concept of this formula, we can find out this question very easily. Okay, I go for next question. In next question, same alene question. Okay, I identify the respective hybridization of carbon atom in C1, C2, 3 for allenes. What is allene? I discussed already. What is allenes? The carbon containing cumulative diene with the even number of double bond, right? Therefore, carbon, 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 carbon. Okay. Now this is the first carbon. This is the second one. This is third one. We know this is which hybridization? sp2. This is sp. This is sp2. Then what is the answer? Should be sp2, sp, sp. Listen. See, when carbon containing whole sigma bond, always sp3. Okay. The carbon containing at least, okay, a carbon can have one pi bond in the way, that is called sp2. Okay, the carbon containing 2 pi bond now always sp. Now see this carbon atom containing 1 pi bond, right? Therefore sp2. See this carbon containing 1 pi bond, right? Therefore sp. See this carbon 1 pi bond. This is sigma, this is pi, and how many pi bond will be 2 pi bond? Therefore the central carbon should be sp hybridization. What is the answer? Answer C is correct. Okay, go for next question. This is good question. For the following aqueous solution, which one exhibits the highest depressive freezing point? If you know the direct formula, you can solve this question very easily. Okay, what is the formula? Delta DF, depressive freezing point is equal to what? M into I. What is M? Molarity. What is I? Vanta factor. Now, what is the tricky for this question? We have to find out I value. Okay, what is I? Nothing but Vanta factor. Please note. Vanta factor. How can I find a Vanta factor? Two method. If the salt, if the substance is non-dissociative or non-dissociative, always high value equal to 1. We put 1. If substance undergo dissociation, okay, the I value equals to what? Equal to number of ions. Now, for sucrose, non-dissociative, right? Therefore, I value is equal to 1. For this sucrose, non-dissociative, I value is equal to 1. Okay. Now, what is the delta TF value? Delta TF is equal to what? Delta CF is equal to 0.1 into 1. Answer is 0.1. For in this molecule, what is I value? NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus. Therefore, what is I value? Is equal to 2. What is molarity? 0.5. Answer is what? 2 into 0.1 is equal to 0.2. For in this question, 0.2. For in case of calcium, what is calcium chloride? Calcium 2 plus 2 Cl minus. What is I value? I is equal to 3, right? What is concentration? 0.1, right? 0.1 into 3, therefore 0.3. For in this question, I value 1. In 1 into 0.2, what is the answer? 0.2. And what is the answer? Correct answer for this question? C is correct answer. Okay, please know. If you know the formula, delta TF is equal to what? M into I. What is I? I mean Vanta factor. If non-dissociative ion mean I value 1, we dissociate for number of ions. Okay, number of ions equal to I value. Okay, and go for next question. In next question, they ask what? The empirical formula. Okay, if this question we know the formula, we apply the formula, we can write the answer. Answer should be A is correct answer. Okay. If you know the carbon percentage, what is carbon percentage? 49.3, right? Then hydrogen percentage and 6.84. What is oxygen percentage? We have to 100 minus this minus 1, you get the answer. Okay. We solve this question. What is the answer? Correct answer. Option A is okay. This question under the +2 syllabus. If you go to +1 book, this question will be there in CBSE book. Okay. Go and check. We get the answer for this question. Easy question only. And next question, good. It's also a good question. They ask you a density formula. Okay. Generally, physical chemistry, if you know the formula, you can solve the direct answer, right? What is the formula? Rho is equal to what? Rho is equal to Z into M by A cube into Na, right? Simple. This is a formula. What is Z? Number of atom per unit. What is Z? Number of atom per unit cell, right? Number of atom per unit cell. You know very well. For simple cubic, what is Z value? 1. For BCC, what is Z value? 2. Okay. For FC, what is Z value? 4. What is crystal given? FCC is given, right? Therefore, Z value is equal to 4. What is your molecular mass given, right? Already in question. 063.5. Okay, what about the A value? What is A unit length, right? 0.125. If we substitute all the value to this equation, what is any Avogadro number, right? What is the answer and with? Answer should be 8.89. Okay, this is the correct answer for this question. And go for next question. This is molecular shape. They are asking what the molecule given? Br F2 plus and Br F4 minus. Now you know very well the bromine belongs to 17 group. Therefore, how many valence? 7 valence electron, right? Therefore, Br, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now become Br plus, right? Therefore, one electron remove can. How many valence electron that will be there? 6 valence electron, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In case of 6 valence electron, 2 F atom, right? 1 F atom and other F atom, right? Therefore, this 4 electron make a 2 lone pair. What is the shape of this molecule? Bent. This is bent shape. Okay. Now see the option which is bent. Option D, B is not. Option D only what? Option A or option C. Check this question. Bromine, right? Again 7 electron plus 1 or 8 electron will be there, right? Therefore bromine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1 fluorine. Here 1 fluorine. And here 1 fluorine. Here 1 fluorine. Therefore 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair. What is the shape of this molecule? Spiral planar. Okay, so why I put the axial position of lone pair? Because of if the lone pair is opposite direction, what they cancel out each other, right? There is no interaction in the molecule, right? Therefore, this lone pair is called what? Stereochemically inactive lone pair. Stereochemically inactive lone pair. Okay, whenever the lone pair is not distract the molecule, that lone pair is called what? Stereochemically inactive lone pair. Okay, this is what is the shape of this molecule? Square planar. Okay. What is the answer? Answer A is correct answer. Okay. Let's go for next question. It's a direct question. Okay. You can apply hypochlorite react with hydrogen. What is the direct question? Answer should be C is correct answer. Okay. Now this is very simple one. If you know the two process, okay, contact process, sulfuric acid. Okay. Next, solver process, sodium carbon. Okay. அப்ப ஏக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா C, ஏக்கு வந்து third. ஏக்கு third எங்க இருக்கு? Option D ல இருக்கு, option C ல இருக்கு. Option A கட்டு, option B கட்டு, ரைட்டா இல்லையா? Solver process வந்து sodium carbonate. அப்ப B க்கு வந்து 1 இருக்கும். B க்கு 1 B க்கு 4 இருக்கு. What is answer? Option D is correct. Okay, so direct question. If you know any two processes, we can find out this answer for this question. Okay, go for next question. They're asking what? Not proteinous enzyme. What is the answer? Direct question. Ribose. Okay, because peptidase, zinase, and DNA also what? They are all proteinous enzyme. Okay, ribose is a non-protein enzyme. The next question, this is good question. We can apply two-step process for this question. Okay, see, read the question. The first order reaction in 25% complete by 20 minutes. If the time is take to complete the 80% reaction, what is the minutes? Okay, then NS 24 seconds 24% complete ஆவதுக்கு 20 minutes ஆகுது. அது 85% complete ஆக எவ்வளவு நிமிஷம் கேக்குறாங்க. அதான் question. Very simple. K is equal to what? K is equal to 2.303 by T into log of A by A minus X. First என்ன பண்ணனும்? First using this data, okay, we can find out K value. Further using K value, we can find out what? This one. Okay, I do the directly, and K is equal to what? The 2.303. What is time is given here? Time is 20 minutes. How many percent completed? 24% completed, right? Therefore here T, right? T, what is T? 20 seconds, 20 minutes. And log of what is A value? 100. What is A minus S? 100 minus 20. If we solve this question, okay, 24. If you solve this equation, what is value you get? Around 0.014. Okay, now I get the K value. What is need? I need time again, right? Again for at 85%. What is the formula? K is equal to 2.303 by into T into log of A by A minus S. I need T value. Therefore, do the cross multiplication. D is equal to what? 2.303 by K into log of A by A minus X. What is A value here? 100. What is A minus X? 100 minus 85. 100 minus 85. Okay, therefore 15, right? But T is equal to what? T is equal to 2.303 by what is the K value here? 0.014 in log of 100 by 15. What is the approximate answer? Around 138 minutes. Option D is correct for this question. Okay, so two steps. Okay, first using first data to find out the K value, then apply the K value to the second equation, get the T value. Okay, simple one. And this is a beta lactone. Okay, this is a biomolecule question. Without knowing structure, we can't tell about this one, right? What is beta lactone? First, you have to note. What is beta lactone? Lactam. Okay, beta lactam. Please know the structure of beta lactam. This is a beta lactam. This is a beta lactam structure. Now, what is the answer? Penicillin. Okay, now no. Please note structure of penicillin. You have to know. This type of question, without knowing the structure, we cannot find out. Okay, structure of penicillin. What is structure of penicillin? Please note. Here nitrogen, okay. Here sulfur atom, here dash and carbon, OH and double bond. In this case, double bond O. Then this is NH and C double bond O here dash dash. This is what? Structure of penicillin. In penicillin, where is the beta lactam unit? This is beta lactam, right? This is beta. What is the answer? C is correct. Okay, this type of question, without knowing structure, we cannot write the answer. Okay, it's a tricky question. Not tricky question. We have to memorize the structure, then only we know the answer. It's similar in organic main group element, right? Without knowing the reaction, we cannot write the correct answer, right? This we have to write the very carefully for this question in exam. Okay, next, this very easy question. Okay, they're asking what? Aniline and diphenylamine. Okay, listen, what is aniline? This is aniline, right? This is aniline, NH2. Aniline. Aniline is primary amine, right? Primary amine, because nitrogen containing only R group, right? Only one R group, the primary. In what is a diphenylamine amine? NH, diphenyl, right? Here RR group, benzene, right? This is secondary amine. Secondary amine. Now, what is our target? We have to find out which is primary amine, which is secondary. Which test you can apply to find out the differential of amines? Lieberman test. What is test name called? Lieberman test. Okay, please note the Lieberman test. Okay, Lieberman test is for what? This is test for secondary amine. A test for secondary amine. Okay. When secondary amines is react with HNO2, nitrous acid, HNO2, to gives what? Yellow product, yellow salt product. Okay. Therefore, the secondary amine only involve what? Lieberman nitrous test. Therefore, using the Lieberman nitrous, we can find out aniline and diphenylamine. Okay. Go for next question. Okay. The correct statement about the role of NH4Cl and KNH2 in liquid ammonia. Okay. This note, please note. The liquid ammonia. Okay, they give the two type of solvent anions. This is called solvo-cation, okay, and solvo-anion. Solvo-anion. For in this question, the liquid ammonia, there are two type of ions. Okay, one is solvo-cation, one is solvo-anion. Okay, now when liquid ammonia is dissolved with the substance, okay, now this substance to give NH4 plus, that is called solvo-cation, and give NH2 minus. Okay, when liquid ammonia is dissolved with the substance release NH4 plus, therefore that substance is called acid. Okay, the substance give NH2 minus, the substance called base. Understand? If you take NH4Cl, okay, it dissolved with liquid ammonia, which ion can be released? Therefore, the NH4 plus can be released. Therefore, NH4Cl, they call what? Acid. Okay. In case of KNH2, amide, okay, soda amide, and liquid ammonia, which ion can be released? The solvo anion, NH2 minus can be released. Therefore, this acts as base. In liquid ammonia, this acts as acid. What is the answer? Correct answer. Option B is correct. Okay, very simple one. And next question. Identify the set of the compound containing alkaloids and terpenoids. Very simple. Terpenoids we know very well. Alpha pine. Okay, directly put the B is correct answer. Okay, what is terpenoid? They containing isoprene. Okay, isoprene unit. 5 carbon. Okay, 5 carbons. Isoprene unit. Okay, the option B is direct question. Next, which is electrocyclic reaction. Now see, very simple. Option B is correct. How the reaction forms, sir? How the reaction can happen now? Here put double bond. Here CN. Here also CN. Okay, now I'm going to what? I do the ring opening reaction. Ring opening reaction. Now see, now this bond shifted to here. This bond shifted to here. How many bond involved? 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore, this is 4 pi cyclic reaction. 4 pi electrocycle. Okay, 4 pi electrocycle reaction. So what is the answer came? This answer came, right? Again, do the reaction. You get the same answer. How? Shifted to here and shifted to here. Again, I get this answer. Therefore, option B is what? This electrocyclic reaction. Understand? This is rearrangement reaction. Okay, this is addition reaction. This is rearrangement. This is addition reaction. This is what? This also electrophilic addition reaction. Okay, which is electrocyclic reaction. Option B is electrocyclic reaction. Okay. And next question, they are asking what? This without knowing the SRP value, you cannot solve this question. Okay, please note. Please note what is concept. What is SRP? Standard reduction potential. Okay. Now, if you see the SRP table, okay, the starting F2 is values around what? Plus 2.87. Okay. In lithium values around minus 3.04. We know fluorine is act as what? Strong oxidizing agent, and lithium is act as what? Strong reducing agent. Okay. The oxidizing agent undergo reduction. Now reducing agent undergo oxidation. Now note first point. If metal undergo more oxidation, more oxidation, it can be replaced. It can be replace other metal ion. Replace other metal ion. It's a concept. Now see the question. Magnesium, what is the value? Minus 2.37. Zinc value minus 2.0 minus 0.737. Okay, which is more negative value? Magnesium, right? Therefore, this undergo more oxidation. Therefore, which can be replaced? The magnesium can be replaced the zinc ion, right? What is the answer? The magnesium will replace zinc ion from zinc sulfate. Okay, never the zinc ion can replace, because there's compared to oxidation process, which undergo more oxidation. The magnesium compared to zinc. Okay, the magnesium undergo more oxidation. Always more oxidation metal, it should be more reactive. Okay, always the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal. That's a concept. Okay, we can tell this like also, this like also. Okay, more reactive metal can displace the less reactive metal. How can we find out more reactive metal? Using what? Which undergo more oxidation, which should be more reactive metal, right? Because the property of metal, what is property of metal? Is undergo oxidation, right? Okay, and next question I'm going to discuss. Okay, this is Slater rule. Okay, what is the formula? And is it effective? Is equal to what? Z minus S. Okay, what is Z? Number of protons. What is Z? Number of protons. What is S? Screening constant, right? Using this formula, we can apply this question. What is correct answer? Option C is correct. Okay, we can apply for all 3A, 3P, 3D, 4S. We can apply for 3 orbitals to find Z effective value. We check if you apply the formula to this orbital, what is correct answer? Option 2 and 3 is correct answer. Okay, let's go for this question. Okay, this is theory-based question. For estimation of cation, the polarography technique is which method? The diffusion current method to what? You use estimate the cation for the polarography technique. Okay, I hope you understand this all the 25 questions. And thank you so much for watching. And see you next video as soon as possible. And tata, bye bye.